with that third one, like combo.
I don't know. I'm not sensing any DBZ in this one.
It's fine because I mean 2 out of the 3. Look,
Right? It's almost like they had an anniversary or something. All right, do it.
All right, so Loot Crate. You guys already know. We've said it in the previous videos. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open.
I wonder what the theme is.
Oh, so and I just got the game too, so that works. Bobblehead.
Is it bobblehead? All right.
Bobblehead.
You guys got a knife tomorrow for yourself. Oh, I need a knife. Wait. Are you gonna be? It is, isn't it?
Shredder.
You look about as good as me with this on.
Because I'm gonna do the rest of the videos. I just need my snapback, doesn't it?
Oh god. I'm gonna mess your box up a little.
Alright, so we got a thing that's cute but deadly. Series Figures 1. Get more Hot Topic.
It's bigger than I thought it would be. A little Vault Hunter. I mean, Vault Hunter.
Open this last one over here. Is it neon? From the assembly required?
Don't you just love the sound of that plastic? It's the best. So, I'll try to talk a little louder to get over it. And did you see the Mockingjay? The Hunger Games?
No, not yet.
Well, I mean, whenever you get around to it, you go ahead and pin that on your shirt to display that. I know some people love this movie, but it's a little small. It's pretty good though. I mean, it feels a little heavy.
Smell that?
Yeah.
Like, smells like vodka.
That's so
Smell
weird.
this.
Maybe it's just a different kind of plastic than you're used to.
Oh my god.
We got alcohol in here, guys. Holy crap.
I mean, I'll take a toy with that. Is that put together? That's just how it is. Where is this from? And where is this like? Oh god, they broke inside.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Oh, rest in peace.
Where is it from, anyways? And this is too cool to be cool, whatever. Oh, cute but deadly. This thing.
Some more fridge magnets.
Probably.
Cool.
Oh, fridge magnets, yeah. I was wondering, like, this is really heavy for stickers.
So he's missing a leg, but you know, we'll fix that.
Ready for combat. So the whole thing's about getting old. I mean, meet me in the streets. First, let me scan you before we fight, though, because I ain't about to fight someone over 9,000. And to go for your combo.
Yep. LP.
Okay,
Yep.
so
Combat.
it's just hyper looting. To number 1. Just look for Loot Crate, I guess.
That's
Not
gonna be
bad.
really upset we got that.
Yeah, he's gonna want that. If you can still see that, we'll get the light here in a second.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys.
Did you film the pin already?
Yep.
What was it?
Combat as
It's
well.
just combat.
Yeah, this whole month has been combat.
Combat with a double-decker bus. Yeah. Not bad.
So happy holidays, looters. I actually got a.
Can they see that? Alright, cool. Just a, you know.
So at Loot Crate,
Strong
we try to
way.
make our crate a special
I'm not
gift
trying to
that
sorry.
you'll enjoy.
I glanced at it, I just saw blue and I assumed her. Shit. You recognize her? We do need Zach here.
Yeah.
But he loves these. The last one I played was for like,
He's so mad he wasn't in this one just because of that.
the last one I played was on my Genesis, so it's been a while for me.
God. So just recap then real quick. That's everything in the box.
Comic, pin as usual. I mean, there's one for the last one.
Cuba Deli broken figure.
Keep it deadly broken figure.
Yeah. It's pretty cute though, but it's broken. So Cuba broken. Bobblehead. I think that's my favorite thing in there actually. Yeah. And fridge magnets. And the shredder glasses.
Yeah. And what the hell is this box supposed to be? Because you did say do a design on each one.
Yeah.
It's just a street. This looks like you could snatch this and use it on like a 3rd grade presentation real quick. Just like do a little couple paper figures. Like, look. Just if only that wasn't broken, you can go ahead and I'm trying to fix these like glasses already.
Look at these. These are heavy as heck. GG.
Alright, cool.
Imagine you Imagine driving with this. Like, what would people say? Like,
I once saw a dude going around wearing the ghost mask from Call of Duty. That was actually kind of scary. It was terrifying because using a big old pickup and all that looks so
about to rob you.
I ain't got much. I mean, it's just a Nissan Altima. Come on, bro.
Let me check your scout. Let me check my scouter real quick.
Nah, you good. But all right, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye, guys.
Hey guys.
Hey, guys.
Hey guys.
Hope you like this
DNA
video.
They look so OP though.
Yes.
Drop the hammer.
I'm against it.
No. We haven't seen everything now.
Give us a like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks.